You're going low like you're touch and go, but just come right over top of it.
Schoolgirl sweetie with your classy kind of sassy and the skirts climbing way up her knee. There was 3 young ladies in a school gym locker when I noticed they was looking at me. I was a high school loser, never made it with a lady till the boss told me something I missed. Then my next door neighbor with a daughter had a favor, so I gave her just a little kiss like this. See, you start swinging with the balls in the school and your feet flying up in the air. Sing, hey, diddy, with your kitty, and it made a lot of swing like I didn't care. So I took a big chance at the house for the dance, and the best who was ready to play. Wasn't me, she was fooling, cause she knew what she was doing when she told me how to walk this way. She told me to walk this way, 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 walk this way. Just give me a kiss. Like this.
Yep.
Oops.
We got it.
And I shut it off on time.